Again, good weather today, and I'm gonna meet Lay at Elk Grove Power Sports, guys. Finally, I can ride after 3 weeks. So let's go. I can't wait to meet Lay, man. I miss that guy. It's gonna be hot today, guys, so I'm gonna show you my mileage. It's 1,253 miles. I hope I can put more mileage for this bike. Last time I used 3 weeks ago the, what do you call this? The M. Let's get out of here. I hope I will fit. Check my cars, guys. There we go. Fit. I'm gonna gas up first. Alright, let's get out of here, guys. Gas up and heat lane. Woo, feels good to ride on 2 wheels again. Yes, sir. Okay, guys, confirmed. It's In-N-Out and Chick-fil-A over here. We're gonna build In-N-Out and Chick-fil-A here, guys. It's confirmed. No Costco. Alright, let's gas up, guys. How much is the gas right now? It is $5.55, guys. Damn. So guys, I didn't know I have gas, and I only gas up like $1.42. I didn't know, but at least now I have peace of mind that I have a full tank of gas to go to Elk Grove, guys. Let's go. Let's get out of here. I didn't check my tires, guys, but it looks okay. I should have checked my tires. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, sir. I'll make it. Man, this Ducati is really hot on the thighs, guys, on my legs. Damn, still the same. They can't correct it. I hope Ducati corrects it. You know, my BMW doesn't feel like this way. It's really hot. Hopefully they can correct it. You know? Yes, sir. I miss this guy. I haven't ridden with this guy like for a while. Oh, look at that new bike. Woo, yes sir. Pare, kamusta? Ay ka muna, ay ka muna. Pare, mapayat ka.
Ano, ha?
Mapayat ka. Alright, so this is Lay. We're about to ride. Let's do a walk around of his bike. He got new tires. He got this used with 115 miles. Ganda, pre. Ganda pa ng kulay. Oh puto. Ito, aftermarket sa'yo, binili mo.
Hindi.
Andito na. Ang ganda oh. Tayo na, komportable. Ako, stock lang ako eh, stock. Alright, let's go. Yun oh. Sabi oh. Baka na yung kanyang una ko. Yun oh. Greet Lay, Happy Nurses Week pare. Happy Nurses Week. Yan, pasalamat at ako'y nakapag-ride kay nakasama ko si Lay. Para magsisimula na ako mag-Tagalog sa vlog ko. Nahirapan ako mag-English eh.
Hindi ka naging English.
Hindi na ako. Hindi, nahirapan na ako mag-English pare. Nahirapan na ako bro eh. Okay, ready ka na?
Oo.
Kala ko 35 ang pinakarga mo eh. Sige pare.
Okay,
so sabi niya libre ang Starbucks tsaka Chick-fil-A daw, libre.
Chick-fil-A ba?
Oo.
Chipotle meron din eh.
Chipotle din ba? Di ba le?
Tsaka ano, Dunkin Donuts.
Ah talaga? Gusto mo
Pero
palamig?
kailangan mo ng buds.
Palamig tayo bago tayo pumunta doon sa ano ko, o diretso na tayo?
Saan?
Doon sa mimit ko.
Ikaw, diretso tayo.
Diretso na tayo,
Oo.
tapos palamig tayo.
Tapos doon tayo mag
Jollibee tayo or kahit saan tayo kung pwedeng
Oo.
malapitan. Okay. Ayaw mo sa kabila. Sa kabila, oh. Para malilim. Alright guys, we made it here at Jollibee. Sabi niya kamukha daw niya. Hindi, malayo pre, mas poging-pogi ka. Pasok tayo Brad. Ayun, oh, Jollibee na kami guys. Alright guys, so time to eat. Gutom na kami. I ordered a 2 spicy Thai chicken and palabok and a lot of french fries here. Siya, same thing with rice and biscuit with peach mango pie and pineapple juice. Ako Mountain Dew lang tsaka water. Let's go eat guys!